Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to another one, guys. This weekend we traveled over to the coast with a bunch of friends. Took the kayak with us, and we're going to be in search of lingcod and rockfish. So stick with us. Hopefully we can get some. Oh yeah, baby. That's a ling. That's a ling. That's a big ling. That's a ling. I guarantee. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Guys, all I'm doing is dropping this hook down to the bottom, and literally as soon as it hits the bottom, I just take 1/2 crank and hold it there, and the waves will sit there and bounce my bait right about a 1/2 foot to a foot on the bottom, and every once in a while you'll feel it tap. That's when you know you're right there. Just hold it there and hang on, because when they hit it, they hit it. Now that I've caught a couple fish, I'm gonna go back to my bar. I really want to catch a lingcod. Not that these don't. This is a simple rig that they use as a charter. A fly with a weight and a hook. It works fantastic. It's kind of funny what tricks these fish, but I want to get a ling on this bar right here. That's what I want to get. Probably going to kill me with this light rod. Probably not going to be able to do it, honestly. How many guys you got?
He's got 3 bass and a vermilion. He just caught a little gopher, but it's too small.
Yeah.
He's using that small one though. He's fucking ripping on that small little foot.
Yeah. I've got 2 nice bass.
Yeah, that's what he's pretty much been getting. But we just got over here and just fucking started getting in.
Well, it's because the rocks. I've been bouncing the rocks the whole time.
Oh yeah, we've been getting the rocks. It's got a gnarly bottom.
How small is it? How much does it weigh?
What?
Your jig.
92 grams.
90 grams? So he's got the small one.
You in one right now or what?
Huh? No.
Yeah, he's got a small one. I mean, I caught one on I just caught my gopher on this big one.
No, I know. You can get him.
He's been getting into them with that little one.
I'll put this little fisherman's life one on.
I mean, I think it's just giving them better options of fish where I'm like,
yeah.
Big ones.
Yeah.
Even though that gopher, I thought.
But I'm allowed 10 of them. I got a few more to catch before I can not care.
Well, yeah, we both had a double hookup, and then he just got another one.
Nice.
What were you catching them out there on? Just bigger?
Luck out there for it? Yeah, I got 2 nice bass. Yeah. I mean, not the biggest, but good eaters.
AJ, good thing I brought these 2 with me. Yeah, I would have been barely feeding myself with that one. I didn't go.
Yeah, we're doing it. Now we just need that lingcod. Come on, baby.
I'd like to thank my guide, Blake.
Yeah. For keeping me straight. Nice gopher. Oh man, so we got 2 blue rockfish and a gopher. I caught that little kelp greenling. Buddy of mine's got 1 little gopher. My other buddy's got a couple bass, so we're not doing too bad. We haven't found that lingcod we're looking for, but I think we'll get it eventually. We just keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. He's down there. I know he's looked at our baits, but stick with us, see if we can get it. All I'm doing right here is just hitting the bottom, bouncing it up, hitting the bottom, bouncing it up. I've found out the less snappy your bounce is, the more bites you get, but I'm sure that's preference and that's totally up to you. I'm sure you can catch fish that way, but I seem to get more of my bites when it's less snappy. Just go nice down, touch bottom, bring it up, and that's normally when they're tugging on it, and right when you bring it up. That's the bottom. That's the great bottom reef. This one's a fighter. This one's a fighter. What we got here? A bass. This one's a fighter. Nice bass. AJ! I'm pounding them, brother! Come up here! I'm catching them, boys. Gosh, I got 7. Got 7 fish here. I'd love, love, love to get a lingcod. Come on, lingcod, where you at? Drop back down and get another one. Oh, well guys, that's gonna just about do it. I had a good time out here, caught 7 fish, let a few go, had a blast, so I'm heading in. We'll go ahead and clean them and cook them tonight, so stick with us, we'll show you how to do it. my ling. I think I got my ling. I think I got my ling, boys. Boys, I think I got it. Woohoo! I think I got a nice one. I got him, boys. Woohoo! Well, alrighty guys, that's going to be the end of today. Tomorrow we might try to go out there and catch some more fish, but today is done. Unfortunately, I forgot an intro, so maybe I'll throw tomorrow in first, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But I appreciate you guys watching. At 100 subscribers, I'm still giving out some goodies, so make sure you subscribe, drop a like down. Alright guys, have a good one.